Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how do I contact Wix. So let's go to the browser first and write here wix.com/contact. Now hit enter. Then you have to choose a problem. I'm choosing this one. Now you have to write here start a live chat. Now you can add here what's the issue. You can explain. Hit enter. Now choose if something else. After chatting some of this, you'll find here uh, the live chat box. Here you can see start a live chat. Okay, so a live chat or the live customer care person will be starting talking to you. Okay guys, so this is how you can contact Wix support. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.